Kami is an extension for Chrome. You get it from the Chrome Web Store by searching for Kami, and right here it will say Add to Chrome. It shows up in your extension bar. Kami allows you to pull in documents from your drive, whether it's a doc, open with, annotate Kami, or a PDF, which most people know about, or slides. Once the document is pulled into Kami, you have many options. You can insert a text box so that you can type in it. There is an equation editor. I use the drawing function the most because I have a touchscreen Chromebook. So I am able to write on my screen. So the common internal tangent would be this line, MG. You can erase, you can add shapes. You can save it to your drive. However, it doesn't go back to being a document. It goes to being a PDF in your drive. When you're in slides, I think this would be a great way to teach virtually through our distance learning by projecting this, sharing your screen when you are in a Google Meet. So you can actually have your PowerPoint in there and you can teach through here by writing on the screen, and your kids will see, your students will see everything that you do here. This is another option for making videos. So you can pull in your, if you don't have a whiteboard app, this is a great alternative to that. Pulling in your slides again, or a worksheet or a document or whatever you want to teach, and working through it while using any of your preferred screencasting applications, Screencastify, Hippo Videos, Loom, Screencast-O-Matic, lots of different options. You save it back to your drive by creating your own copy. It sends it to a Kami Uploads file folder that is created directly in your drive, and from there, you can move it to wherever you want in your drive. So here's an example of the text box. You just click text box, click in there. You can type in it. You can change the different styles. The equation editor has a lot of great options as well. So you thought of great things that you might not have in other programs. Shapes, pulling in different shapes. And you can pull in images from any saved on your computer or your Google Drive from there. So I hope this gives people another option for working and teaching virtually.